Is your keyboard acting up? Opening shortcuts instead of typing letters? I've got the fix you need to get back to smooth typing. Let's dive in. Right-click on Windows 11 Start menu and select Settings. In the Settings app, select Accessibility from the left pane. Now, take your cursor on the right side of the page and scroll down till you find the Keyboard tab. On the Keyboard page, you will find both Sticky Keys and Filter Keys tabs. Turn off the buttons next to these tabs to disable both of these features. Press Win+R keys to open the Run dialog box. Type regedit and click OK. This will open the registry editor. Navigate to the following path. Alternatively, you can paste this path into the address bar of the registry editor and press Enter. Check if it contains the WindowsInk Workspace subkey. If not, create it. To do so, right-click on the Microsoft key and select New and GT key and name it as WindowsInk Workspace. Now, right-click on the right pane and select New and GT dword 32-bit value and rename the newly created value as Allo WindowsInk Workspace. Double-click on it and set its value to 0. Restart your system. Launch the Settings app in Windows 11 by right-clicking on the Start menu. Scroll down the right side till you find the Troubleshoot tab. Once you find it, click on it. You will see a list of all troubleshooters available in Windows 11. Locate the Keyboard Troubleshooter.